Hey, he's not going to get here. Okay. This is a very intense storm. It's a little bit scary. It's swirling up above, but we seem to be north of it. Hope those aren't famous last words. Wow. Somebody's over there taking pictures. A little more nerve than me. That roar you hear, it's been roaring for the last 5 minutes. We're staying close to a building, so we're not the tallest things out here. Try a little zoom now. This is a very, very strong storm.
Look at that white cloud.
Yeah, the wind is coming up very strongly. If a tornado happens here, it could pop out anywhere, hopefully south of us. Alright, the cloud is over here, and we're going to step back in the castle because it just got real windy. If something came from the north, it would take us by surprise. The birds can't even fly. There's a bird, I can't get to it. There's a definite swirl above us. Let's see if we can capture that. Yeah, watch the lightning. I don't have a wide angle. I feel like Dorothy a little bit. We got the dog. We got the freight train sound. We hopefully have very good craftsmen from the 30s. Now our friend is leaving. I wonder if it's because he's scared or if he's just coming over to see us here in the castle. The wind is definitely up from the north. Well, it's swirling. What's that? The wind's from everywhere. Going directly south of the castle here. What? Outside the castle. Wow.